Hi foodies, welcome to MellowBites, and today we are unboxing the Preethi Glam Steel 3-burner stove with a stunning stainless steel finish. Let's dive right in and check out its features. This 3-burner stove is corrosion resistant, rigorously tested with a 72 hours salt spray for durability, and it also features a removable drip tray. It's made with eco-friendly materials ensuring both health and safety. Preethi has conducted over 5,000 rotary switch cycles and drop tests to guarantee safety and reliability. Its sleek, minimalistic design includes a rust-proof single-sheet stainless body for long-lasting performance. What's more, it comes with a 2-year product warranty, lifelong free service, and a lifetime warranty for the body. The stove features a jumbo burner for rapid cooking and 68% thermal efficiency, saving your time and energy. The innovative tripod mixing chamber ensures an optimal air and fuel mix, while the heavy-duty pan supports enhanced stability and ease of use. Now let's unbox the stove and see what's inside. Along with the stove, we have a high-quality hose that's flame-resistant. It has a strong grip and is reinforced with steel wire. It's perfect for safety and longevity, and yes, rats can't bite through it. Inside the box, we found warranty cards for the burners, body and product, as well as an instruction manual. Preethi has also included helpful do's and don'ts for using the stove. The burner, drip pans and knobs are thoughtfully packed for safe transit, and the stove itself is impressively heavy and sturdy. The stainless steel finish is absolutely stunning, so reflective that you can see yourself in it. We opted to call customer support to help set up the hose and burners. Their assistance made the process smooth and secure. A handy tip they did is they dipped the hose end in hot water for flexibility before attaching it to the stove and the cylinder. To give that hot water without the stove, we've used this eyeballs, a multi-purpose kettle, to make that hot water. It worked like a charm. Once everything was fixed and the service provider ensured the setup was just perfect, they even gave us a quick instruction on how to use the burners efficiently and fix those drip pans efficiently. Now that the Preethi Glam Steel 3-burner stove is all set, it's time to enjoy cooking like never before. The 3 burners allow you to whip up breakfast and lunch simultaneously, saving valuable time in the kitchen. And I am loving this addition to my kitchen, and it's already transforming my cooking experience. That's it for today's unboxing. See you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking. Bye.